I'm extremely honored and happy to welcome all the guests and the customers and the press people and the mall owners also for the inauguration of our Lulu Express stores, Lulu Daily stores in Bangalore, in Global Malls Divinity, Nanhalli, Mysore Road, Bangalore. We are delighted to announce another milestone in our Lulu Group, India's journey at Bangalore. Following the tremendous success of our 4 existing stores, especially the warm welcome we received at our MFI ECT Mall and Lulu Daily Store. Last year we have thrilled to launch our 5th daily stores in Bangalore, Karnataka. This new store is located in Global Mall Divinity at Nanandahalli, Mysore Road, Bangalore, and has opened its doors to public on Saturday, 14th of February 2026. Spanning across 21,500 square feet, this daily stores outlet has been thoughtfully designed to serve the vibrant community of Nanandahalli and other surrounding areas. These stores, like all our Lulu daily outlets, will bring together international quality and local favorites, ensuring something for everyone.
ಲುಲು ಗ್ರೂಪ್ನ ಪರವಾಗಿ ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಈ ಶುಭ ಸಂದರ್ಭಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದ ಜನತೆಯ ಸಹಕಾರ, ಅವರ ಒಂದು ಸಪೋರ್ಟಿಂದ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಳೆದ 4 ಔಟ್ಲೆಟ್ಗಳು ತುಂಬ ಯಶಸ್ವಿಯಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಮ 5ನೇ ಔಟ್ಲೆಟ್. ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಸಹಕಾರ, ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಒಂದು ಸಪೋರ್ಟಿಂದ ಇನ್ನೂ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಆಪರ್ಚುನಿಟೀಸ್ ಇದು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲ ಸಹಕಾರಕ್ಕೂ ತುಂಬ ಧನ್ಯವಾದ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.